Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo A80, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM card into this device, and SD card if it also has the tray for it. To get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which should come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, right here where the pin is holding right now. You want to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to yoink it out. And this tray actually does have a SD card spot. Now this spot is also doubling as a SIM card spot, so you can use either two different SIM cards, and you'd place one of the cards like this. Or you can obviously use one of each, so I'm gonna shift it over to the side right here, bring up my SD card, and place it on here. Now be very careful, there's nothing holding those cards in place, they don't like clip in or anything like that, they're just straight up laying on the tray. So carefully insert it back into your device, so none of the cards come out of its position, kind of like the SD card is trying to do right now. There we go. And once you insert the cards, they should start working right away. My SIM card is already being detected as it's prompting me to insert my SIM card pin. So I'm gonna quickly do that. This will unlock my SIM card. And SD card should be working as well. Let's see if we have any kind of notification show up in a second. Looks like we don't, so I'm gonna open up my settings and navigate to storage somewhere. About device, storage, you can actually see it right here. SD card, 58 gigabytes out of 64. So it is detecting it as well. So there we go. That is how you can insert your SIM card and SD card into this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.